Auditors, stop wasting hours on reports. That blank screen is costing you time you should be spending on analysis. I'm going to show you how to generate a professional, accurate audit report draft, findings, recommendations, and risks in under 10 minutes using only ChatGPT. This is my 3-step workflow. Let's start with the foundation. Step 1, data structuring. Set your timer. We move fast, and we stay precise. You cannot feed the AI a messy Excel file. You must structure your evidence into 3 components. The AI needs a clear condition, what is happening, criteria, what should be happening, and effect, the impact. Use bullet points and keep it concise. If you get this right, the report almost writes itself. Why this works? It forces clarity, removes noise, and gives the model an audit-ready backbone. Quick example. Condition: 3 user accounts remain active 60 days after termination. Criteria: HR policy requires deep provisioning within 24 hours of termination. Effect: elevated risk of unauthorized access and data leakage, potential non-compliance penalties. Keep each bullet factual, specific, and measurable. 1 finding per block. This is the secret sauce. Your prompt must be organized. Part 1 is the persona. Act as an experienced internal auditor. Part 2 is the ask. Draft a finding, recommendation, and risk implication. Part 3 is the data. Paste your structured condition, criteria, and effect from step 1. That's it. Watch how quickly the report draft appears. Pro tip: ask for headings. Finding, impact, root cause, recommendation, management response placeholder. Add controls. Limit to 180-220 words. Use neutral professional tone. Reference the policy as criteria. Ask for evidence alignment. Cite each sentence to C, CR, or E in brackets during drafting for traceability. Example prompt. Persona: act as an experienced internal auditor. Ask: draft a concise finding with impact, root cause, recommendation, and risk implication. 180-220 words. Neutral tone. Data. Condition: 3 accounts active 60 days post-termination. Criteria: deep provision in 24 hours. Effect: unauthorized access risk and potential penalties. If the draft is off, iterate. Say, keep criteria verbatim, soften tone, and add a short risk rating rationale. 2 iterations. Done. The AI is excellent, but it lacks 2 things: diplomacy and judgment. Before you send, always check the tone. Does it sound too aggressive? Does the recommendation make sense for your client's culture? Add your professional touch. It only takes 2 minutes. Expertise is irreplaceable with an algorithm. Use AI as a tool, not as a replacement for your professional mind. Technology helps you, but it doesn't represent you. You are the added value that makes the results logical and realistic. AI provides the data, but you are the one who makes the wise decisions. Do not let automation weaken your analytical footprint. If this 10-minute reporting trick saved you 5 hours this week, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button now. You don't want to miss the next one. Next Wednesday, I'm dropping the definitive comparison and showing you how to manage audit data 10 times faster than VLOOKUP. Subscribe to Audit Simplified for weekly tips.